Om Namaha Shivaya. Yeah, we are seeing the Guinness World of Record conch pearl. It is 52 carat in weight. 52 carat in weight. Huge size conch pearl ever produced in this world from the puja milk conch from Indian Ocean. You should see the full video in YouTube to get complete details of this conch pearl of world record 52 carat in weight. Now I'll show one by one detail here. So you can see the clear face of Lord Shiva. You can see the here face cut to eyes, nose, and above hair. Clear full face of Lord Shiva. Totally amazing full face of Lord Shiva. And top it is mesmerizing image. The punch. Totally mind blowing. Totally mind blowing. And here see you can see the M. It's a symbol you can see in the Mount Kailash. Same here. M you can see in the Mount Kailash. Same here. Totally unbelievable. This M you can see in the Mount Kailash. And yeah, you can see the image of snake here. Image of snake here, which is for Lord Shiva. Image of snake. This is for Lord Shiva. And now it is looking like a Panilinga. Yeah, looking like a Panilinga. Totally unbelievable collection. Guinness World of Record. 52 carat. Ever produced huge size pearl from the milk conch from Indian Ocean. Milk conch, puja conch from Indian Ocean. Totally unbelievable. See how clear Lord Shiva face. You see here face cut. You can in the reflection of light you can see eyes, nose, mouth, and hair. Totally unbelievable formation. Never before such a huge size conch pearl from the milk conch, puja conch found from the Indian Ocean. Totally it's unbelievable formation. Now also under the light. Showing under light, it shows the originality of the conch. Originality of the conch pearl. Totally unbelievable collection. Hmm. Totally unbelievable conch pearl collection from Indian Ocean. It's a Guinness World of Record. 52 carat in size, 52 carat in weight, with beautiful white and orange shade. Totally unbelievable. Ever produce huge size conch pearl from Indian Ocean puja conch. Indian Ocean puja milk conch. Totally unbelievable. Never ever you can get such a huge conch again. Just is a one piece in the world. Extremely full energy and vibration of Lord Shiva. Totally Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva conch pearl. Totally unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And see, here you can see totally unbelievable Lord Shiva Om here. See the mark here. From here, unbelievable Lord Shiva Om mark. Starting from here. Unbelievable. Clear, natural Lord Shiva Om. Totally mind blowing. See, Lord Shiva Om. Totally mind blowing. Clear Om. Any direction you turn, you can feel a Lord Shiva. Any direction you turn, you can feel Lord Shiva. Totally mesmerizing conch pearl from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Fully Lord Shiva energy. 52 carat. It's a Guinness World of Record. Ever produced such a huge pearl from Indian Ocean puja milk conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.